The topic for discussion is Corporate Venture Capital Professional Organizations. Strategic Venture Association. It is an organization dedicated to the needs of the corporate investing and strategic pattern community. The association's goal is to bring together professionals to educate, inform, and collaborate with each other around topics core to the group's interests. Given the current market conditions, the importance of working with external organizations to seek innovation, partnership, and investment opportunities has never been greater. National Venture Capital Association mission, comprised of more than 450 member firms, it is the premier trade association that represents the US venture capital industry. NVCA mission is to foster greater understanding of the importance of venture capital to the US economy and support entrepreneurial activity and innovation. It represents public policy interests of the venture capital community and strives to maintain high professional standards, provide reliable industry data, sponsors professional development, and facilitates interaction among its members. Now, Young Venture Capital Society. It is a non-profit educational organization. It is created for young professionals under the age of 35 to help educate and equip the next generation of venture capitalists with technical knowledge, financial acuteness, and industry perspective, network of contacts, knowledge of venture capital industry as a whole. Now, a series round is a name typically given to the company's first significant round of venture funding in the Silicon Valley model of startup company formation. A series of preferred stock is the first round of stock offered during the seed or early stage round by a portfolio company to the venture capitalist. A preferred stock is convertible into common stock in certain cases, such as IPO or sale of the company. Now, Series A rounds are critical stage in the funding of new companies. A typical Series A round is in the range of $2 million to $10 million and is intended to capitalize a company for 6 months to 10 years as it develops its products, performs initial marketing, branding, hires initial employees, undertakes early stage of business operations. There are no public exchanges listing their securities. Private companies meet venture capital firms and other private equity investors in several ways, including warm referrals from the investors' trusted sources, other business contracts, investor conferences and symposia, and summits where companies pitch directly to investor groups in face-to-face meetings, including a variant known as seed venturing, which is akin to speed dating for capital, where the investor decides within 10 minutes whether she wants or he wants a follow-up meeting. Mass high-tech, smaller investment amount are not worth the legal and financial expense, but the burden on the company of adjusting its capital structure to serve new investors, and the analysis and due diligence on a part of institutional investors. Analysis of a company that needs money for operations but is not yet ready by venture capital that will typically seek an angel capital. Larger amounts are usually unwarranted given the cost of business in the fields such as software, data services, telecommunications, and so on. However, there are routine Series A rounds in excess of $10 million in the field of pharmaceuticals and semiconductors, real estate development. Series A rounds arising in the venture capital community particularly are widely reported in business process, blogs, industry reports, and other media that cover the technology industry. So there are many Series A rounds in other business contexts underwritten by investment banks, corporate investors, angel investors, public agencies, and others. Do not often receive press coverage. So all share a similar legal and financial framework, but specific terminology, deal terms, and investment practices vary according to business customs within different countries, business sectors, investor communities, and geographical regions. Venture resources are the process of subsidizing capital needed to develop a product or service in the early stage of new venture with resources. Most traditional and familiar form of external financing is to seek capital venture capital firms, angel investors, or even banks. Both venture resources firms and fund managers seek equity in exchange for cash or resource infusion in this case. The concept of venture resources was developed to help early to late stage startups leverage trained, skilled labor to develop their ideas. Similar methods of support are called business incubators that offer, among other things, physical space, capital, coaching, common services, and networking connections. So the difference in venture resources is the business development operations and venture are still external, and the venture resources firm handles all the project management and development, staffing, support necessary to launch a venture. So this can be more advantageous since it typically does not require a champion to relinquish too much control or ownership and may leave more ownership for the entrepreneur in latter round of funding. Now venture round. It is a type of funding used for venture capital financing by which startup companies obtain investment generally from venture capitalists and other institutional investors. The availability of venture funding is among primary stimuli for the development of new companies and technologies. Who are the parties? Funders, brokers introduce company to investors generally disfavored. A lead investor, typically best known, aggressive venture capital firm that is participating in the investment. Co-investors are major investors who contribute alongside a lead investor. Follow on or piggyback investors are typically angel investors, rich individuals, institutions, or others who contribute money but take a passive role in the investment and company management. Now, company being funded. Law firms and accountants are typically retained by the parties to advise, negotiate, document the transactions. Now, how many stages of a venture round take place? investors and companies seek each other through formal and informal business networks, personal connections, paid or unpaid, finders, researchers, advisors, and the like. So, there are no public exchanges listing their securities. Private companies meet venture capital firms and other private equity investors in several ways, including warm referrals from the investors, trusted sources, and other business contracts. So, investor conferences and symposia or summits where companies pitch directly to investor groups in face-to-face meetings, including a variant known as speed venturing, which is known as speed dating for capital. The company also provides investment firm a confidence business plan to secure initial interest. Now, private placement memorandum, it is a prospectus generally not used in every model. Non-binding term sheets or letter of intent and other like are exchanged back and forth as negotiation documents. Generally, signed term sheets are non-binding and commit the parties only to good faith attempt to complete the transaction on specified terms, but may also contain some procedural promises of 30 to 60 day duration, like confidentiality, exclusively on the part of the company. Now, generally 2 to 4 weeks process of negotiating is definitive transaction document. It is a drawn out document, drafting a series of contracts and other legal papers used to implement the transaction. These are the final transaction generally include stock purchase agreement, buy and sell agreements, investor right agreements, amended and restated articles of incorporation, etc. Now, due diligence in negotiating a definitive agreements. The investor examine the financial statements and books and records of the company and all aspects of operations. They may require that certain matters are corrected before agreeing to the transaction. New employment contracts or stock vesting schedules for key executives. At the end of the process, the company offers representation and warranties to the investors concerning the accuracy, sufficiency of the company's disclosures as well as certain conditions as a part of stock purchase agreements. Now, final agreement. This occurs when the parties execute all the transactions and documents. So, it is a generally funding when announced and the deal considered as complete, and there are often rumors, although they are often rumors and leaks. Now, closing, when the investors provide funding and the company provides stock certificates to investors. Ideally, this would be simultaneous and contemporaneous with the final agreement. Now, conventions in the venture community are fairly lack with the respect to timing and formally of closing. So, generally depend on goodwill of the parties and their attorney to reduce costs and speed up transaction. Formalities common in their industries such as escrow of funds, signed original documents, notarization are rarely required. This creates some opportunity for incomplete and erroneous paperwork. Now, rolling closing or multiple closing dates for different investors. Others are tranched, means the investor only give a part of fund at the time with the remainder dispersed over the time, subject to company meeting specified milestones. After closing, few things may occur. Conversion, convertible notes. They are outstanding notes and they may convert at after closing. Now, security filing with the relevant state or federal regulatories. Now, filing the amended articles of incorporation and preparation of closing binder. Thank you.